Hi everyone, my name is Gabby Giggin. This is my 7th course in the MBA program and I will be finishing this coming May. I was born and raised in a small town about 2 hours east of Pittsburgh called Hastings, and from there I went to a nearby college, the University of Pittsburgh at Johnstown, where I studied business accounting. Right out of college, I got a job working out here at Carnegie Mellon University as an accounting assistant in the student accounts office. As of 8 months ago, I just moved into the senior staff accountant role. It's a very diverse role and a very diverse office that we have, but mainly our goal is just to help students financially and help them persist through their college careers. The biggest piece in my role is managing and overseeing all of our payment processing. So I have little exposure to project management, but just in my last few months in my new role, we undertook a big project in helping improve our online banking option that we offer to our students. So I was a main project coordinator in this project, and there were a lot of players involved in it, from our office and student accounts to our technical team, which is enrollment systems, who manage our homegrown system that we use, and then also the bank that we use currently, which is Bank of New York Mellon. Um, I would say even the topics just in this first week that we learned have really related and resonated with me because of this project. And in our office, we're constantly going and undergoing different projects to help improve our processes. So I'm very much looking forward to learning more in this course to help me take back to my role. Besides my full-time job, I also work a part-time job for Stitch Fix, which is an online personal styling service. I guess when I'm not working or doing schoolwork, I love to travel. I've been to many different countries and states, and I hope to keep continuing to grow that list. But at the same time, I'm a very big homebody, so I also just enjoy relaxing and hanging out at home with my family and friends. I'm very much looking forward to this class and the rest of the program, and I'm excited to work with you all.